Makita chainsaw and pieces. He says it keeps throwing the chain. That's a problem there. That's the chain tensioner there. Putting tension on the chain. Moves this bar back and forth, keeps it tight. Pin's gone. So that's sitting there. And she can slide back and forth. There'll be a pin coming up here to go into this hole. So that's gone. Right, to get into this thing. It can be messy, so be warned. Got some all. Now, don't need to do anything on this side. So leave this all alone. Maybe give it a wee quick clean out. Just your oil reservoir, motors in the back, drive gears, switch assembly. It's all quite basic. As long as you don't have to take apart the chain brake in this, it's not too bad to work on. The part we want, this end. It's under here. That out. You've got a couple of gears and turns. Just a threaded bar, threaded rod. Comes out of there. And this is the part we need. That's it. That's the big expensive part we need. €4 part. Slides in there. That's that. That's all there is to it. So if your blade no longer tightens, can't tension it, just replace that wee tension slide is what it's called. It just slides back and forth along that thread to tighten the actual bar.
That's it. Lock. Which we are unlocked. That's her. I'll make it a chainsaw, up and running again. Just needed a blade tensioner.